Hi, this is Joanne Marie Rumford in Port Huron, Michigan, in my apartment, and I'm doing this video of my canary Julius. His name is Julius, and I'm trying to get him to sing. And I did a search on YouTube to find out uh, a good place to teach him how to sing. And I'm going to play that now because maybe he will sing, because I've been trying to get, I think this is the fourth video where I took a video of him and he didn't sing. He's at the bottom of his cage, but I'll play the video now and see if he gets up. He's in the bottom of the cage there. Oh no, he's up now. See the ring? That ring there, swing ring, is a. You see how he's eating from the left to the right, from the top to the right. Um, I just got that for him and at Vitacraft online on Amazon, and it's a grass ring with spinach topping. He loves it. So he's working around from the left to the right, top left to the right, bottom. He's got the half done already. So I'm gonna play the video. I'm not gonna put it on the camera, but I'll play the bird singing and see if Julius will sing. By the way, Julius's favorite Christmas song is Silver Bells, and his favorite song is uh, Gloria by Laura Branigan. So there he is there. Okay, so let's see if he sings. I'll play the. He's on his swing now. He's chirping, but not singing yet. By the way, yesterday or the other day, he copied my singing. Well, actually not singing, but I did a whistle. I went. Let me turn it off now. I did a whistle. I went. I've been doing that whistle to him since well, actually, this year, 2025. Today is March 1st on a Saturday, 2025. And I got Julius in December, on December 8th, 2024. My oldest niece, Tara, gave him to me for Christmas because her and her husband, Daryl, and their kids, Avalon, Lachlan, and Quinn gave me this bird cage in 2018 for Christmas, and I didn't have a bird since 2018. So when Tori and Tara came over, Tori's her younger sister, Victoria, Tori for short, Victoria, Tara, and I went out to dinner at Freighter's, and Victoria paid for dinner. So it was a nice Christmas with the two of them. Okay, so oh yeah, the whistle I was talking about is, and I've been doing that, and all of a sudden, this yesterday or the day before, he started doing, and I thought he copied me, so it was really neat. So let me play the canary on the TV now. It's Canary. The title of the YouTube video is Canary Singing Training for First Time Young Canary. Best Canary Singing for Training. Hashtag bird singing. At Canary Bird Singing. I don't know if I could put this out. I'll be able to put it on my YouTube and Facebook account, my video, if I show it, but I'll show it. So here it is, right here. right there. Got my slippers on. And here's the time right now. That's what time it is. It's a little past 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Gonna sing, Julius? By the way, we were at Freighters. We were deciding. Gotta zoom in, zoom out. We were deciding what name to give Julius, because they brought Julius over that day on December 8th, 2024, and Victoria, Tori for short, my youngest niece, named him Julius. I'm hoping he can sing. Maybe I'll turn it off and see if he sings. Now, he hears the birds out on the birding bush, a shrub out here in front of my window, my apartment. And the birds kind of congregate there. And I've got photos of blue jays, and there's cardinals and all kinds of birds. And the window isn't open now because it's still cold out. But the other day he heard the bird out there singing, and he started singing. So when I have the window open this year, even with the window closed, you can hear him. If you're outside, you can hear him singing in here. So pretty loud. Okay, I'm gonna say goodbye now. He's busy doing something else now in his cage. He's not interested in the bird on TV now. So, anyways.